Today we are making Valentine's dipped cookies.
Yum!
Welcome back to College Kitchen. I'm Karen.
I'm Robin.
And we are making Valentine's dipped cookies for all of your sweethearts out there.
Good one. If you like this video, make sure and subscribe. Just click that little button down there in the description area. And also make sure and give this video a big thumbs up.
Like we said, we will be making Valentine's dipped cookies. Now, this is a very simple way to make something that looks real fancy for your little sweetheart loved one, but it's actually really super easy. We're gonna teach you how to do it. What we have done today is we've already prepared, baked, some white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. You could use any cookie. You could literally use your favorite chocolate chip. You could buy some Oreos at the store. You could make Oreos, make some cookies or buy some cookies, whatever works for you. And then we're going to start dipping them in some melted chocolate, let them cool on a pan in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, and then there you go. You've got this perfect, delicious little snack to give your little loved one for Valentine's Day.
And then you can say you made it yourself.
That's right, which means even more love. We all know that, right? Homemade means more love.
Apparently.
Let's get started. So what we are going to do is you're going to take a cookie, and if you bake them, just make sure they're cooled, because if they're warm, it's not really gonna work. We've got our melted chocolate. We have white and milk. You could use semi-sweet. You could do a mixture of the two.
Whatever you want.
Yeah, make it however you want.
Yeah.
And then you're just going to spread it, or you can literally just dip it in the chocolate. Get off the excess, lay it on your sheet. Voila.
Easy as that.
Oh my gosh, it's the easiest. All right, we've got our Valentine's dipped cookies. Look how pretty they look. It's like we didn't make them look perfect.
We are so professional.
You can make them look much more perfect if you would like. You can even add like nuts, or you could add sprinkles, or you could add anything to kind of embellish the outside so it looks even more fancy.
I really want to try this.
I know. Yes, so let's taste our cookies with our dip
Cheers.
on them. I just feel like there's nothing better than a cookie dipped in chocolate.
There isn't.
Is
really.
there? I'm pretty sure there's not.
Maybe kale chips.
Yes, kale chips and then a cookie dipped in chocolate.
Popcorn.
But I think that these are so delicious and they will impress anybody's sweetheart, and they are super, super easy. So, if you want to make a special dessert for your loved one,
Or for Valentine's Day, make it for your BFFs.
that is totally true. Let's go and take after Leslie for the day before Valentine's Day, which is always Galentine's Day. And we've left a recipe in the description below for a white chocolate chip macadamia nut cookie. And then obviously the chocolate is just melted chocolate chips, so super simple.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time on College Kitchen.
Bye.